Today, we'll be making tortilla cups with eggs. Start by preheating the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Cut 4 flour tortillas into 4 pieces. Cut each tortilla in half and then cut them in half again. This will result in 4 equal pieces per tortilla. Spray 6 muffin tin cups with non-stick cooking spray. Overlap 2 to 3 pieces of tortilla in each muffin tin to cover it completely and create a cup. Press into the muffin tin and spray with non-stick cooking spray. Bake the tortilla cups for 10 minutes. Remove from the oven and set them aside to cool. While the tortilla cups are baking, crack 4 eggs into a medium bowl. After handling the eggs, wash your hands again. Next, give the vegetables a quick rinse. Chop your mushrooms and bell pepper. Mix the eggs, chopped mushrooms, chopped bell pepper, and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper into a medium mixing bowl. Pour the egg mixture equally into the prepared tortilla cups. Bake for 20 to 25 minutes or until the eggs are cooked through. Top the egg cups with salsa, green onions, or sour cream and enjoy.